So, kids and all the parents, a very warm welcome to all of you from the Olympiad Success family. So, there was one question like who we are. So, Olympiad Success Kids, you understand it's the largest online preparation platform for Olympiad examinations. Okay. And 3 years back, we had started with the live classes preparation for Olympiad examination. So, we basically cater to Olympiad's preparation. And from this year onwards, we have started preparation for Cbse classes, International Mathematics Olympiad. So, these International Mathematics Olympiad include examinations like SASMO, CMO, TMO, HKIMO. Hope you would have heard about these International Mathematics Olympiad examinations. And finally, we have started preparation for JEE mains classes also. Okay. So these are the three special things which we have started this year. Now, if I talk about like the CBSE classes, which we have started from this year, and we have gathered here for CBSE class preparation only today. So kids, like this would be a long course. It would be almost 10 months course, which you need to attend. Okay. And there would be a rigor which every student has to follow, every student has to focus on. So basically what will happen, there would be regular tests, homework given to you by your mentor, and you have to make sure that you also follow that rigor. Okay, so you have to regularly do your homework, do your tests, and make sure you are aligned with your mentor, because our mentor would make sure that like all your doubts, all your queries are cleared, and she would be here helping you strengthening your foundation. Okay, so also like when I say this is a rigorous curriculum, I mean that we would be focusing on, like getting you percentage more than 95%. Okay, so that is our aim, that is our motto behind starting these classes. So these would be, a bit tougher also than your regular CBSE classes, which you follow in your school. Okay. And one more thing, like the book which we would be following is R.S. Agarwal. So all the questions would be followed, would be done from that book. So that entire book will be done. And so kids, it would be really nice, like, if you can purchase that book. So you and the mentor would be on the same page. Okay. So now, like the flow of the session would be, first of all, I would be introducing to your mentor, Jayachitra ma'am. After that, after her introduction, Rajan sir will be taking up a short presentation about the class, okay, the CBSE course. After that, we would be having a short question and answer round. Okay, so if you have any doubts, queries related to it, you can write it down in the chat section, and we will be happy to answer all your queries. Okay, so most of your queries would be covered in the presentation itself. So I request all the kids to hear to the presentation really nice. Okay, and finally, like after the question and answers are over, okay, so if there are no queries left, we would be starting with the demo session by Jayachitra ma'am. Okay, so kids, as we have started this session at 5:30 p.m., so we would be ending it at around 6:30 p.m. Okay, so for all our CBSE classes, these are 1 hour classes. So the demo would be of around 30 to 40 minutes. Okay. So thank you so much, kids. And now over to Jayachitra ma'am for a brief introduction about herself. So welcome, ma'am. Welcome to Olympiad Success
Yeah,
Platform.
thank you, Aarti ma'am. Good evening, everyone. So my name is Jai Chitra. So I'm your math tutor. I just tell me something about me. I have 6 years of experience in teaching, and I train many students for SAT exams, mathematics, and also I'm taking mathematics class for the international students. They are in UK, Canada, US, etc. So now I'm going to teach you guys like CBSE 7th grade. And I'm very happy to share this. And yeah, so and also in this course, I'm going to teach you the concepts in detail and in depth. Okay, so I'm going to make your basement strong because I believe that if the basement is strong, then the building will be strong, right? So you're in the basement stage now. The grade 6 and grade 7 are in the basement stage because you're getting into the higher grade now. So I'm going to make your basement strong by explaining you all the concepts in a clear way. Okay, so and this will be helpful for your future. So you can score more marks in your subjects, and also you can apply this for your future. So mathematics is very important, right? So you can use all those basic concepts throughout your life. Okay, and also in my class, I'm following three things, and I ask my students to follow three things. And the first thing is you should have a positive attitude, right? So positive attitude means you should think that I can do the sums, like I can solve this problem. So you have to bring that attitude in you. So that positive attitude, not only for math subject, it will help you for all the subjects. So that's the first thing. And the second thing, you have to be attentive in the class. Okay, so whatever the things we are teaching in the class, you have to take a notes. And the most important thing, you have to ask questions, more questions. Okay, so in the demo also you have to ask me more question. I'm expecting a lot question from you. And yeah, and the last thing is homework. So you have to finish your homeworks on time. So and students, this is if you follow these three things, I'm definitely sure that you will become a successful math student. Fine. Yeah. So and yeah, I hope we are going to continue this classes for a year. So I'm really excited and happy to give my demo to you all the kids. So let's wait. So first, let's Rajan sir give some presentation. So after that, we are going to have our demo. Okay. Now over to you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much, Jayachitra ma'am. It's really wonderful to have you on the platform. And as you rightly said, so we are here to build up the foundation, to strengthen your foundation so that, you can appear for the future competitive examinations. Okay. So CBSE, as you would know, that it focuses on like future competitive examinations. The syllabus is made up in such a way that it helps you clear your exams like JEE, etc. Okay, so now we would be starting with the presentation, a short presentation. So kids, requesting all of you to hear to the presentation really nicely, because many of your doubts would be cleared then and there itself. In case if you have any further doubts, you please write it down in the chat section and we will be happy to answer all your queries. Okay. So over to you, Rajan sir.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Okay, so students, my screen is visible.
No, not yet. It's saying it has started screen sharing. Yep,
Okay.
now it's visible.
Now it's visible. Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for confirming. So firstly, students, welcome to the demo of class 7th mathematics CBSE. Now, let me tell you about us, about Olympiad Success. So Olympiad Success is India's largest online platform for Olympiad exams. We have Olympiad live classes. This is our third year in live classes. And again, it is India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad preparation. We have School Plus program. In School Plus program, we are offering 8 courses: mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, and communication spoken and written both, Vedic maths and coding. What else? We offer online basic classes for grades 6 to 12, one-on-one preparation for International Mathematics Olympiad like SESMO, that is Singapore and Asian School Math Olympiad, CMO, Hong Kong Mathematics Olympiad, Thailand Mathematics Olympiad, Math Count, US Olympiad, Math Kangaroo, PRMO. We also give classes for JEE mains preparation classes. Meet our rank holder for session 2021. For 21-22, we are going to release the results soon. So in Olympiad Success, we got 40 international rank 1, 70 plus top 5 international rank, and 120 plus top 10 international rank in various Olympiad exams. So these are Olympiad Success students. Now about this course, so there will be 20 student batch and classes will be conducted on Zoom platform. There will be 2 sessions per week. The days will be Thursday and Saturday, and timing is 5:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. The session include mix of theory, practice question, doubt session, and also discussion on previous year paper. We will refer R.S. Agarwal book. Now about the fee for this course is 16,650 rupees, and it is a 10-month course. Okay. The payment link and syllabus link I will share in the chat box. The fee include online classes and practice of previous year paper. And student, if you enroll today, you will get free mathematics Olympiad exam, that is CMO exam. Now, what is required to join the classes? A laptop with good internet speed and headphone. And student, we always advise to spend few hours to cope up with the curriculum. Whenever teacher give any homework, assignment, you have to complete them. Okay. If you complete the homework assignment, then we can uh, like uh, we can manage how you are going to perform in your schools. Okay. Now, when the live classes will start, live classes start from 26th March. So currently we have students from 3,800 plus school, and we are catering in 35 plus countries. So this is about the batch. Now, if anyone have any question, you can ask.
Okay, thank you so much, Rajan sir, for a detailed presentation. I see there is a question from Gurkirat.
Ma'am, there will be crest only in Olympiad success, or ma'am will AL so follow SOF?
Also
Okay,
follow
also follow
SOF.
SOF.
So basically, Gurkirat, this is a CBSE preparation course which we are starting. Okay, and like this year we are offering a free CREST examination. So like if you enroll on the same day of the demo, so if you enroll today for this course, you will be entitled for a free CREST Mathematics Olympiad. All right, and for SOF, you need to, like, your school needs to register for you to give the examination. And if you are asking about the syllabus, because I'm not sure whether it covers the syllabus, it is asking about the syllabus also. So Olympiad success, basically the Olympiad preparation classes, the live classes which we conduct. So there are other batches also for Olympiad's preparation specifically. This is for CBSE preparation. So that Olympiad classes would cover all the examinations, basically all the well-known examinations like SOF, CREST, Silver Zone, Hummingbird, Unicus. Okay.
Next question is, ma'am, is it NCERT syllabus?
So basically, yes, we are following a CBSE syllabus. Okay, so the entire, like you would be having your CBSE books. So CBSE syllabus would be followed, and you should just keep a check, like have a check on the syllabus link, which we will be sharing in the chat section. So all that will be followed. So in particular, like what all you are seeing in your CBSE book, all those chapters will be covered. And as mentioned earlier, also we would be following RS Agarwal book. Okay. Does Olympiad
Does
success?
does Olympiad success follow SOF and Silver Zone?
Follow as in, like, yes, we would be, covering all the we would be covering like all the basic organizations who conduct the examinations, Olympiad examinations. So like if you take classes from Olympiad success, okay, so you can successfully appear for these examinations like SOF, Silver Zone, CREST, Unicus, as mentioned earlier.
What is the difference between CBSE and Olympiad syllabus?
Okay, so basically the basic difference between CBSE and Olympiad syllabus. So if I come to the Olympiad syllabus is a bit tougher than your regular CBSE syllabus. The reason being, there are few topics from your higher grade as well. Okay, so we tried to complete many topics in the Olympiad examinations, but then CBSE is in particular, like if a child is looking for only strengthening the CBSE concepts, like whatever is there in their books, so these classes will be for that.
How will you clear our doubts as there will be 20 students?
So that is not a problem, Navi. We have been, conducting these live classes from past 2 years now. This is our third year. And, like we have few batches wherein we have like 30 students also. So that is a special case because that is our star mentor, and many students, like they are ready to be in a group size of 30 as well. But in case, like if this is your doubt, how your doubts will be cleared in 20 students, that is not a problem. So your mentor would make sure that the doubts of each and every student are cleared then and there. And also, like once you join for the next class. So like once your first class finishes, you come for the next class. So you can come up with your doubts. So ma'am would be clearing your doubts and then she can start with the session. Okay.
So do we have any other question? Okay, will this help us to crack any competitive exams?
Yes. So basically, I would say yes to it because, the CBSE syllabus actually caters to your competitive examination syllabus as well. Okay. So we would be trying to, take all the topics and strengthening the concepts, okay, of that particular subject. And as your mentor had also told about it, Jayachitra, so she would be taking the topics in detail, all the concepts in detail, and trying to explain you all the things, so you would not face any problem while solving the questions for competitive exams also.
For Olympiad preparation, is there a separate class as I'm a ICSE student?
Yes, absolutely. There is a separate class for Olympiad preparation. So yesterday we had a demo for class 7 mathematics. So Sitaramana, what you can do is you can go to our all batch fee page. Basically, just a moment, I'll share the link with you in the chat section. Okay, so what you can do is you can just talk to our representative, or you can drop us an email so that they can share with you the demo link of that, or you can go to our Facebook group, which is facebook.com/group/Olympiad success, and there you can see our demo which was held yesterday.
There's one question. Will you provide us books and ebooks or some previous year paper or mock test?
So actually, Navi, what we will be doing is like we would be referring to RS Agarwal only. So it's recommended that every student has the book RS Agarwal. Okay, and now if we talk about the previous year papers and mock test, so we would be certainly solving like the previous year papers mock test would be given. So after every topic, every topic, if it is small, so after every 2-3 topics, so in a combination of that, your mentor would be conducting topic wise test, okay, so that the students understand where they are lacking and what they need to strengthen. All right, so there would be lots of practice, but as such, considering the material, you need to purchase the book RS Agarwal. Okay.
So I think you have already answered this. Do we need to buy RS Agarwal?
Okay. Okay. All right.
Okay, so any student have any other question? No? Okay, everything is clear. So
yes, kids, this is going to be a very rigorous course, believe me, because it's a 10-month course and your mentor would make sure that you don't leave the class without understanding the concept. So no doubts and everything clear, right? Okay, and in the chat section also I am getting everything clear. Okay, no doubts to the students as well regarding this course.
So Aarti ma'am, I think we can start with the demo then.
Absolutely, we should start with the demo. Yes. So Jayachitra ma'am, over to you.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you,
So
ma'am.
hi kids. Yeah. So I'm going to share my screen. Just give me a second. Okay. So okay, students. So today our topic is mensuration. So shall I ask you one question? Like, can you guys tell me what does mean by mensuration? What do you know about mensuration? You can type in the chat box. Measuring. Very good. Keep you're right. Okay, so let me tell you. So mensuration is area and perimeter. Very good. Yeah. Good, Ivanika. Okay. Ma'am, measure anything. Yeah, so we can measure the objects, like we can measure the 2D objects, 3D objects. Yes, I'm getting more questions like answers. Very good, measuring area and perimeter. Yeah, very good, right? Okay, so yeah, Prabhu that is saying find its area and perimeter. Yes, I'm getting the frequent answers, same answers. Yes. Okay. Okay, kids. So mensuration is nothing but measuring the length, area, perimeter of all the objects or a group of object or a single object. Okay, so and we are using the mensuration in our day-to-day life, right? So for example, if you just imagine that you are having a agricultural field, and for that, yeah, I'm continuously getting the answers. Yes, length and breadth. Very good. So to find the length and breadth, right? Okay. So for example, now we are having an agricultural field. Okay. So we have to fence that field. So what we need to do that to fence? So we need to measure the entire length, right? Length and breadth of the agricultural field. So that is called measuring, right? So basically we can say mensuration is nothing but act of measuring. Yeah, perimeter. Okay, Nihal, I saw your answer, right? So and also, as I said, it is used to measure the length, area, height, depth of a shape or a object or a group of objects. Okay, and also you can see that we can apply the mensuration for 2D and 3D shapes. I hope you already know about the 2D and 3D shapes. 2D means it has two dimensions, like it includes the length and breadth. So just wait. Okay, so for example, I'm going to take one rectangle. So I'm having a rectangle here. So here it is a 2D shape because it is having only two dimensions. One is length and the other one is breadth. So this is length and this is breadth. So it comes in a plane. So this plane figure is called 2D dimensional figure. And when coming to 3D dimensional figure, it will become a cuboid. Right? 3D includes, yeah, very good. Good. So it includes length, breadth, and height. Very good. Right? Yeah. So and also some solid things like book. Right? So can you give me some example of 3D shapes? My screen is not visible. Box, very good. Cuboid, yeah, very good. Very good. I'm getting more answers. Prism, yes, very good. Yeah, so these are all the 3D shapes. So we are using mensuration for these shapes also. Cuboid, very good, very good. Okay, so somebody said that they couldn't see my screen. Box, cylinder. Okay, good. Okay, so let's go to the next one. So, okay, so mensuration, it comes with 2D and 3D shape. So in this 2D, we are going to measure the perimeter, area, and surface area and volume. Okay, so today we are going to see about the 2D. So we are going to see how to measure the perimeter and area. Okay, so yes. Okay, fine. Right. So now 2D shapes. So is my screen clear to you, kids? Is my screen visible to
Yes.
you?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Okay, because some student is saying that it is not. Okay, fine.
No, it is visible.
Okay, thank you, sir. Right. Okay, so let us see the perimeter and area of the shapes. Right. So the first shape here, it is square. Yes, very good. So I'm getting more formulas here. Very good. That's fine. Okay, I just explain you quickly. Right. Okay, after that we will go to the question and answers. Right. Okay, so in this square, so we are having sides, right? So all the sides are equal here, right? So the area of this square is we just times the two sides. So it's gonna be a side A. So you can simply say it is A square. Okay, and perimeter. So perimeter, what do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter means, can anyone tell me what does mean by perimeter? Boundary, yes. Sum of all the sides, yeah. Okay, so yeah, adding the boundaries. So the total length of the boundaries is called perimeter. Okay, otherwise we can say the outside distance of the shape is called perimeter. Okay, so for that we have to add all the sides. Okay, so we can simply write this as 4 times A. right? Yeah, I'm getting the formulas for rectangle also. Very good, right? Okay, so the area means it is inside portion, right? So for rectangle, it's gonna be length and breadth, right? So for area of a rectangle, we just times the length and breadth. So it's gonna be length times breadth, and the perimeter. So I already got the answers. Like it is, see, length, added breadth, right? So because we are having two lengths and two breadths, so we can simply write like this, like 2 times length added breadth. Okay. So we are having two lengths and two breadths, so we can write directly like this: 2 times length added breadth. Okay, fine. So next, coming to the triangle. Okay, so how to find the area of the triangle? So the triangle is half of the, it is a shape from the parallelogram, right? So if I'm having a parallelogram like this, so I'm just cut this shape, so I will get a triangle, right? So for parallelogram, it is B times height. So base times height, right? So here it is a half of the, this shape is half of the parallelogram. So I'm just going to half it. So the area of triangle is base times height divided by 2. Okay. And the perimeter. So I got some answer like A plus AB plus BC plus CA. That's not the correct answer. So for example, we are having a sites like A, B, C. Then the perimeter is you have to add all the boundaries. So it's gonna be A added B added C. Okay. So that's the perimeter of the triangle. Okay. Okay, I got, yeah, for equilateral triangle, it is 3 times side. Okay, but sometimes for, scaling triangle, so for that you have to find A added B added C, right? Okay, fine. Now coming to the circle. So circle, can you tell me what is mean by diameter and what is mean by radius? Okay, let me explain you. Yeah, Madhu, can you tell me? Okay, double of radius. Yes, very good. Yes, Madhu, tell me. The longest chord. Okay. Okay. Okay, good. So I will explain you that the diameter is nothing but a line starting from one point and it is going to the other point through a center. So that is called diameter. Okay. And radius. Radius is nothing but it is a distance. Okay, it is a distance between the center point and to the circumference of the circle. So that is radius. So we obviously know if the diameter is 4 centimeter, if the diameter is 4 centimeter, then the radius is you just half it. So 4 by 2, which is 2 centimeter. Okay, so radius is half of the diameter. Okay, Madhu, I will give you the control later in the classes. Okay, I just, yeah. Okay, fine. So now, okay, now here we are having area and circumference of a circle. So for circle, we are saying circumference instead of perimeter. Do you know why? Okay, I will tell you, because see, for all these shapes, the boundary is coming through the lines. But for circle, we don't have lines. It's a circular path, right? So for that, we are saying it as circumference, and yeah, it has no end. So that's why we are calling it as circumference. So let us see the circumference of the circle. So the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Otherwise, you can say 2 times like, otherwise you can say it's pi times diameter. Okay, so circumference is nothing but outside area of the circle. Yeah, pi equals 22 by 7, and also we call it as 3.14, right? Okay, so now what does mean by area of the circle? So anyone know about the area of the circle? Can anyone tell me the formula of area of the circle? Okay. Okay, area of pi r square. Good. So the area of the circle is pi r square. So I'm just going to tell you how this pi r square comes from. Okay. Yeah. So for example, I'm having a circle here. Okay. So I'm going to split this into 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now I'm just going to arrange this one portion. I'm just going to arrange this portion, taking this portion, and I'm arranging all the portions in this way. Okay. Now it is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So we know that circumference is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r means like this, right? Pi r plus pi r. So I'm taking, yeah. So this half portion is pi r and this half portion is pi r, right? So total it is 2 pi r, right? Okay. So now here you can see we just arranged the small portions like this. So if you see this 2 portion, so I can see this 2. So this 2 portion and this 2 portion is same, right? So I can write this as a pi r and say this portion and this portion is same. So I can write this as a pi r, right? Now here we are having a line. So this line, we obviously know this line, the line which is coming from the center of the circle to the circumference of the circle, that is radius. Okay, yeah, I will explain you. So we are having a Gurkira, please listen here. So we are having a circle here. I'm just splitting the circle into 4. Okay, I'm going to tell you how the area formula came. Okay, so this is a circle. We are splitting it into a 4 portion, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm arranging it like this. Okay, I'm arranging the portions like this. Okay, now we already know the circumference is 2 pi r. Circumference is nothing but the outside space of the circle. Okay, so 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is nothing but pi r plus pi r. Okay, so this portion is pi r and this half portion is pi r, right? Okay. Now I have this 2 small portions. So I'm saying that this 2 small portion and this 2 portion is same, right? So that's why I have written pi r here. Okay, and also here we are having 2 circles and here we are having 2. So I'm writing this as pi r. Okay, so now this portion is called radius, right? So to find the area of the circle, now this is the entire circle, but we have split like this, right? So now to find the area of the circle, we just times this half portion into radius. So you will get pi r square. Okay.
Jayachitra
Yeah,
ma'am, there
pi
is one
r.
question in the
Yeah.
chat box. You
Yeah.
can see in the chat box.
Yeah. So ma'am, does pi r mean semicircle? Yeah, it is a semicircle. Okay. Yeah. So now the area is pi r square. So Gurkirat, is it clear now? Okay. Okay. So the area is pi r square now, right? Okay. So okay. Now let us go to the sums. Yeah. Just give me a second. Okay. Okay. So here we are having the questions. So the first question is, find the perimeter of the rectangle whose dimensions are, they have given the length and breadth. Okay. So here is a rectangle. So the length is 15.5 meter and the breadth is 8 meter. Okay. So students, can you find me the perimeter of the rectangle? I hope you know the formula. So 2 times length added breadth, right? So can you tell me? Okay, I got answer. One answer. That's correct. Yeah, very good. Okay, so Gurkirat, can you understand? Okay, very good. I got many correct answers. Good. Yeah, so the answer is 47 meters. Somebody said it's 47 centimeter. Nihal? Okay, you corrected it, right? Okay, fine. So we have to do 2 times length 15.5 added 8, right? So, okay, second answer, very good. Okay, right? So, okay, so now we have to do this, and so it's gonna be 47 meter. Okay, yeah, that's correct. Right. So let's go to the next sum. A rectangular photo frame has a perimeter of 36 centimeter. So the length of the frame is 10 centimeter. Find the area of the photo frame. Okay. So now we are having a okay. We are having a rectangular photo frame, and so they are saying the perimeter is 36 centimeter and the length is 10 centimeter. Okay, so they ask us to find the area. Okay, so can you tell me the formula for area of a rectangle? So area of a rectangle, Gurkirat, can you tell me the answer for area of the rectangle? Yeah, it is length times breadth. Good. Okay, so now here to find the area, we are having the length 10 centimeter and we don't have the breadth, right? So we have to find that. So we have another way, like to find the breadth, we are having the perimeter. So perimeter, so we know the formula of perimeter, which is 2 times length added breadth, right? Okay, so 36 equals 2 times 10 added breadth, right? Yeah, so now how we have to find is 36 equals 2 times 10 is 20 added 2b, right? So we have to just take away, you have to bring this side, so it's going to be like this, 2 breadth, and 36 take away 20 is 16, 2b, so now the breadth is 16 divided by 2, which is 8 centimeter, right? So now we know the breadth is 8 centimeters. So you can directly apply the formula. So which is 10 centimeter into 8 centimeter. That is 80 centimeters square. Very good. Okay. Yeah. So I got most correct answers. Right. Yeah. So, okay. The first one is answer B and the second one is answer D. That's correct. Okay. Let us do to the next sum. Okay. So I'm expecting a question answers from you guys because you already know the formulas, right? Okay. Now, Sam has a rectangular garden of length 22 meter and breadth 15 meter. His friend Sullivan is having a square garden of side 21 meter. So whose garden is bigger and by how much? Okay, so see, Sam is having a rectangular garden, length is 22 meter and it is 15 meter. And Sullivan is having a square garden, which is 21 meter on sides. So Sharif, your answer is correct, but you mentioned some number, right? That's wrong actually. Okay. Okay. So to first to find the difference between these two, what you have to do? No, Sharif, it's not correct. And see, you are mentioning it centimeter. Yes, Sitaramana is correct. Very good. Ivanika, you are correct. Okay, yeah. So now we are having this. We have to find the area of the rectangular garden and also for the square garden. Okay, Gurkira, please listen here. 10 meter is not a correct answer. Okay, so I will tell you. Okay, so that is a rectangular garden of Sam, and this is a square garden of Sullivan. Okay, so to find which is bigger, so you just find the area of these two gardens. Okay, so for Sam garden, so we have to just times L times breadth, so which is 22 times 15. 22 meter times 15 meter. Okay, so which is 330 meters square. And you have to find for Sullivan area. So Saliban, you have to do 21 meter times 21 meter, which is 441 meters square. Okay, so now you have to, so we obviously know now the Sullivan's garden is bigger, the friend's garden is bigger, and you have to find the difference. That is 441, take away 330, which is 111. Okay, so the Sullivan's garden is 111 meters square bigger than the Sam's garden. So Gurkirat, can you understand now? Okay, Nihal. Nihal, that's not a correct answer. Okay, okay, good. So Nihal, can you understand now? And Gurkirat? Okay, fine, good. So now the answer is, it's Sullivan, and the difference is by 111 meters square. Okay, okay, fine. So now let's see the next question, which is a door of dimensions 3 meter times 2 meter is on the wall of dimension 10 meter times 10 meter. Find the cost of the painting the wall if rate of painting is 2 rupees and 50 paise per meter square. Okay. Yeah. So you work out the question and tell me the answer. And I'm also going to explain here. Okay. Yeah. So now consider this as a wall. Okay. With dimension 10 meter and 10 meter. And we are having a door here with the dimension. Yes, Ivanika, you're right. And 3 meter and it is 2 meter. Okay. So now we have to find the cost of the painting to wall the like painting the wall, the remaining places. Okay, so how to do this? First, we have to find the area of the wall, and also we have to find the area of the door. Yeah, I'm getting many correct answers. Very good, Kritika. Very good, Alakya. Good. Okay, so now we have to find the area of the wall and also area of the door. Okay, so area of the wall is nothing but 10 meter times 10 meter, which is 100 meters square. Okay, and we have to find the area of the door, this one. Okay, so which is 3 meter times 2 meter, which is 6 meters square. Okay, now we have to, yes, Sakit, we have to take an area of both wall and the door. And now we have to subtract this two areas so that we will get. So if I take all these things, so that I will get how much area I have to paint, right? So I'm just going to subtract the area of wall and area of door. So it's gonna be 100 meters square, take away 6 meters square. So it's gonna be 94 meters square. Okay. Okay. So now, if you see, so in the question, they are saying for 1 meter square, it is rupees 2.50 paise, right? So we are having 94 meters square. So for this area, how much it's gonna be? So you just simply times it. Okay. So if you simply times it, so you'll get the answer. Yes, 94 times into 2.50. So you will get 235 rupees. Okay. Sakit, can you understand? Okay, good. Kirat, can you understand? Okay, fine, right? Okay, so the answer is 235, right? So let's move to the next question. Yes, so this one. So now I'm going to, little confused. Okay, okay, good, Kirat. See, let us do this sum. I'm going to explain you this. Okay, okay. So the question is, a movie poster is 5 feet wide and 3 feet tall. Okay, so a frame shop charges rupees 8 per foot for a black metal frame. how much would it cost to buy a black metal frame for the movie poster? Okay, so let us consider a movie poster like this. Okay, so this is 5 feet wide and 3 feet tall. Okay, so they are going to make a frame. So students, can you tell me here what we have to find? We have to find the area or we have to find the perimeter? Can you give your answers in the chat box? Perimeter, very good. So Gurkirat, you tell me what we have to find here to find the frame. So we are going to frame this movie poster. So if you want to find the perimeter, yes, very good. Right? So to find the perimeter of the movie poster, okay, so perimeter of the movie poster. So we have to do 2 times length added breadth. So it's gonna be 2 times 5 added 3. Okay, so 5 added 3 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So 16 feet tall. The perimeter is 16 feet tall, right? Yes, so I'm getting more correct answers. Yes, you're correct. Okay, okay. So 16 feet tall, right? Now we have to find how much will it cost to frame the entire poster. So for 1 foot, it is rupees 8. Okay, then for 16 feet, what you have to do? It is same like the previous question. We have to just times the 16 feet into rupees 8. Okay, and the answer is rupees 128. Okay, good. It's B. Yeah, very good. Okay, good. So Gurkirat, I hope you understood now. Right? Okay, okay. So let us go to one more question. Yes, so it is about the circle. Okay, and it is very easy, right? So what is the circumference of a circle with diameter 7 centimeter? Right? So I'm having a circle here and the diameter is 7 centimeter. Okay, so what is the circumference of the circle? So can you tell me what is the formula of circumference of a circle? Yes, Nihal, you are correct. It is 128 rupees. Yeah, 2 pi r. Okay. Yeah, it is 2 pi r. And here they have given the diameter, right? So the other formula is you can directly times pi into diameter, right? Yes, very good, Anvika, you're right. Okay, so pi times diameter, so which is 7 centimeter times 3.14. So yes, I'm expecting answers. Shara? No, that's not the correct answer. Okay, good. Anvika, good. You're correct. Yes, very good. Okay, so the when you times 3.14 into 7, you will get 21.98 centimeters. Yes, Sakit, you can also take 22 by 7. Okay, if they mention you in the class, like if they mention 3.14, then you can take that. Otherwise, you can take 22 by 7 also. You'll get the nearest value, right? Okay. Okay. Okay, kids. So it is really a nice time for you, right? Okay. So with this, we can wind up the session. I hope we are going to meet in the next session. I think the next session is on March 26th. So yeah, we will meet in that class and we will discuss more things and more concepts in detail. Okay. Yeah. So now, yeah, it's over to you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you,
Rajesh.
Jayajita ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you for the wonderful session. So students, how was the session? Please let us know in the chats. Okay, I think Gurpreet already right. Ma'am, crystal clear. Outstanding. Okay, okay, nice.
Thanks,
Okay,
Putira. Yeah, we will meet in the next session also.
very interesting, ma'am. Very good session. Okay,
Yes. Thank you. Thank you for your
very
feedback, students.
nice. Okay, so students, do anyone have any doubt or question regarding the batch? No? Okay, then. Okay, okay. So students, I have shared one link in the chat box. Please copy this link and save somewhere. Okay. This link you can register for this course. Okay. Yeah. And now Jayachitra ma'am will meet you in the live classes from 26th March. Okay, students? Yeah. Okay. So thank you everyone. Thank you Aarti ma'am. Thank you Jayachitra ma'am. Thank you students for today's class. Okay. Now we will meet you in the live classes. Okay.
Thank you so much, everyone. Bye bye. Have a great evening. Bye.